What's up guys, Rick with RallySport Direct here and welcome to another episode of What's in the Box. Today we've got the IAG lower intake manifold plenums specific for the 15 Plus WRX. Now, these are going to replace your factory TGVs as well as the plastic plenum that sits underneath the factory TGVs that go directly into the heads. Now, the benefit of these, aside from, well, looking completely awesome and just beautiful all around, just for 1 second, the CNC marks throughout this entire thing make it look like a piece of art, or like multiple layers of aluminum were stacked on top of each other and somehow like electronically welded or something. It's just absolutely stunning and beautiful. Like a lot of things that come out of the IAG shop. However, the biggest benefit of this is going to be airflow. Now, this is primarily going to be for the guys out there that are making significant amount of power or aspiring to make a significant amount of power, and the reason for that is airflow. So the factory TGVs, of course, usually most people get rid of those on their way up the chain, the power chain, but the lower plenums is something that a lot of people keep and can be not a massive restriction or anything like that, but definitely a potential problem area in regards to turbulence and just airflow all around. And this addresses that and fixes that issue with their solid one-piece design. If you've ever removed the TGVs and the lower plenum, when you go to put them back together, you can have quite a big lip, so you have to be careful to make sure you have nice smooth airflow. Well, this eliminates that problem completely, and you have a nice direct shot right down into the heads. Plus, with the CNC magic that IAG is able to do, you get really good airflow properties through the inside of this plenum. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful pieces all around. You get both left and right. Ready to install, direct replacement. Should only take about 30 minutes. And if you're needing it, this is probably a pretty nice little power adder for you. Anyway, that's all the time we've got for you today. Thanks for checking out What's in the Box. See you guys next time.